How to adjust notification settings in Windows 11. To adjust and disable notifications in Windows, select the Windows icon in the taskbar and select the gear icon to go to the Settings menu. Select System, and then select Notifications. Under Notifications, you can turn the toggle switch on or off to enable or disable all notifications. If you would like to enable notifications but disable certain features, slide the toggle switch to On and expand the Notifications menu to check or uncheck the boxes for the options below. If you would like to only disable notifications temporarily, you can keep notifications enabled but also toggle the Do Not Disturb option to On. This will forward all notifications directly to the Notification Center. To only receive notifications during certain times, you can set Do Not Disturb to automatically activate at times of your choosing. Setting priority notifications allows you to choose certain apps that can still provide you with notifications even while Do Not Disturb is on. To enable or disable notifications for specific apps, you can adjust the toggle switches under the Notifications from Apps and Other Centers section. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.